It's been really hot in LA, as I'm sure you've heard on Instagram. So this is what we've been doing to keep the heat out, because these are huge windows in our bedroom. This looks weird, but this is just our patchwork quilt that we've had forever. But then Nick came up with the idea to put our camping mats like this to cover the window, and it's actually really done a good job at keeping the heat out. We just look like major recluses. So I don't drink normal coffee anymore. This is decaf. These are from last week. They're just almond milk that I made in my Vitamix, and then I froze half the batch. I should really put them in a bag or like a Tupperware container or something, but I've just been lazy and I haven't yet. So anyway, I made this yesterday, and it has these plus about a teaspoon of this coconut butter and a teaspoon of this Sun Potion yin powder, and I really like it. It's definitely not cheap, but I use very little of it, and I don't use it all the time. So yeah, I'm vlogging again, as you can tell. I was really against vlogging for a while, but you guys really liked that last video, and I liked making it. So as long as those two avenues connect, I'll continue making vlogs occasionally. So today my sister and I are actually driving to Los Angeles. I live like 40 miles outside of LA, so it's a little bit of a drive, but she's driving, so we're good there. And we're going to a zero waste event. I think it's like a workshop. It's been a very zero wastey weekend because I went to Bring Your Own Long Beach's refill shop yesterday. I'm gonna keep getting ready. I'm drinking my little drink that I showed you guys earlier. It's alright, honestly. I think it's better the first day that you make it. I had that in the fridge from yesterday, but I'm drinking it, and I'm excited to bring you guys along today. My makeup routine's pretty much the same since the last update I've shared with you in my Get Ready With Me video. The newest purchase I have made since I ran out of my last foundation has been this foundation from Kira Weiss, and it's a really beautiful refillable compact, which is why I was drawn to the brand initially. And it's just like a cream formula. I'm in the color Paper Thin. This is definitely a more pricey foundation, but I justified it for myself because I was buying it for my sister's wedding, and I needed something that could be full coverage, and I liked this product because it's buildable. So on my day-to-day, I could do a light or medium coverage, but then for a special occasion like my sister's wedding, I was able to do a full coverage. Nick's home.
Hello.
Hey, YouTube man.
I'm sure.
Okay, I'm heading to LA now. I'm just waiting for my sister to pick me up. I've got my smoothie in there, my water in there, and my reusables in there.
Left onto North Gower Street.
Okay, we made it to LA. We found parking. Thank you, Taylor, for driving.
No problem.
And now we're just chilling in the car, eating until we're gonna go walk over to junior high, which is the place that the event's held at. So we'll take you guys with us when we go there. We're here. I'm embarrassing myself. We're the first people here vlogging, but we just got these shirts. No straws, please.
Right up front when it comes to like bringing your own jars or whatever bags you want to use to buy things in bulk. Some stores like Whole Foods won't let you use your own containers because they say like, oh, I don't think I'm going to tear it.
Okay guys, I'm home now, and I thought it would be fun to share with you a couple of the things that I picked up over the last few days. I've sort of got a little mini haul of low waste things. Nick's right here working on the computer, so if you hear him, don't worry about it. He's right there. There's airplanes going over too, but what's new here? So anyway, yeah, I want to show you some of the stuff I got. The first two things that I purchased were actually from TJ Maxx, and I feel like this is sort of a good little tip if you are wanting to find natural products but wanting to shop on a budget. TJ Maxx can come through in a clutch, let me tell you. I picked up these two products from the brand Coco Kind. It's a small company run by a woman based up in San Francisco Bay Area. And they just have really cleanly formulated products. They're organic, fair trade, certified vegan, non-GMO. And like I said, they're just really cleanly formulated. So I was really excited to get these and try them out. The products that I got were the organic facial cleansing oil and the organic sea moss exfoliator. So I dropped this one in my bathroom sink and it broke a little bit, but it's holding together okay. And then this one sort of looks like it's in a plastic bottle, but it's actually glass. And a cool thing about their containers is that they actually have a package take back program, which is so wonderful and something that I wish more companies would do. But basically, when you're done with the product, you can mail it back to them and then they'll send you a 50% off coupon for the same product. So that's pretty insane if you think about it. That's a really good discount, especially because these products are pretty reasonably priced. When you compare them to other brands that are in the organic space, some of them can be crazy expensive and, you know, they're beautiful products, but I love that these are more of an accessible price point, especially if you add the 50% off discount, which is crazy. So it definitely gives you an incentive to continue purchasing from them, but they're a really great company. So yeah, that's a really great bonus as well. So yesterday I went to Bring Your Own Long Beach, which is a zero waste refill shop in Long Beach, and I refilled a couple of products. So the first thing I refilled was my organic jojoba oil. As you can see, this is a jojoba oil bottle because I buy this on Amazon, or I did buy it on Amazon. And I like it because it comes in a glass container with a little glass dropper. So it's a pretty good packaging option. If you don't have refill situations like Bring Your Own Long Beach, if you don't have those options available to you, don't be hard on yourself. I didn't have them available to me until Julie created the shop. So finding things that are packaged in glass are always a good option if you can find them compared to plastic. But anyway, so I refilled this 4 ounces. And then what else did I get from Julie? I got soap. Here, let me show you that. I got this huge brick of French dish soap. It's palm oil free, which is really important to me, and it's olive oil based. So it's olive oil based. So basically you just put the little brush, this is also from Julie's shop from a while ago. You just put it like this, you can get it wet, and then you swirl it around on the top, and it is just soap to clean your dishes with. You can wash your hands with it. And apparently it lasts a long time from what I've heard from people online that have used it. I also really love it because when I was growing up, my mom was really into like French country design, and I feel like we had a little like thing in our bathroom that said this on it. Obviously I didn't know what it was back then, but it just sort of reminds me of my mom because it's French and it has like the little stamps of the weight and you know, the name and stuff. So it's really sweet. It reminds me of my mom, and it's just this really cool package-free soap that now I have, you know, on my sink. Jury's still out if Nick is into it or not. He thinks that it smells weird. It has a strong scent. I feel like it's like an olive oil-y scent. He thinks it smells like motor oil. But I don't feel like it does. Anyway, jury's still out. I will let you know what he thinks about it after he washes our dishes with it. But yeah, I really like this. If you're going to get one of these soaps, make sure you get a palm oil free one. I was looking at some online that didn't have, before I knew that Julie carried these in her shop, I was looking at some online and it was a little bit difficult to find some that were palm oil free, but Julie has an online shop too, so that's something to keep in mind. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. And then the last thing I got from Julie's shop, I actually ended up picking up when I was almost ready to leave. I had already checked out with my other two products, and it's just this little container of a natural bleach alternative. It's like a little powder bleach natural alternative. I forget what it's called. I'll link everything in the description for you though. But anyway, at Julie's shop, she has, you know, a big container of cleaned little jars and stuff for if you forget your jar or didn't have one like me. And I really appreciated that. I didn't want to put another purchase on my card, so I ended up just buying $2 worth of this product because I had $2 in my wallet. And that's something I love about package-free stores, not package-free shop, but stores that allow you to shop in bulk, is that you're really just able to get what you need. I've never used this product before, so I didn't want to buy a big container of it. I'd rather buy a little small amount and try it out to see if I liked it. So I was really happy to be able to do this with this product to see if it'll keep my whites nice and white without bleach or harmful chemicals. So yes, that's what I got from there. Let's see. Okay, two more things. So today my sister and I went to a zero waste workshop in LA hosted by Ari Jackson from BuzzFeed and Sarah from Matchbox Kitchen. It was really fun to spend time with my sister and go, you know, to that event. I met 2 subscribers there too, which was so fun. But anyway, so I got 2 things from there. Where are they? Here they are. The event was $5, but when you went to it, you also got a straw from Simply Straw. So that's cool. They also gave us a discount code, but I don't think I can share it, sorry. I really like that they have different sizes. So for reference, this is like a normal size straw that I have, and then this is the Simply Straw. So it's smaller. It's great for little, smaller containers, and it can be used in hot or cold, or it can be used for hot or cold liquids, which I think is really unique. They also have different sizes, and I get asked quite often if I get worried about using glass straws, like if they're gonna break on me or whatever. I honestly don't worry about that at all because the straws that I use are really durable. They're tempered glass. They're kind of like Pyrex, right? So they're not going to break on you. Sorry, I keep like banging this jar. They're not going to break on you, and if they do, you'd be able to tell. So if you have a glass straw and you're nervous about it, just like run your finger on the top and bottom before you use it, and you should be fine. I've been using the same glass straws for going on 5 years now, and I haven't ever had one break. I've had lots of mason jars break on me, but never glass straws. So that's just something to keep in mind. And then the last thing I got from that little workshop was this t-shirt that I'm really excited about. No straws, please. So my sister and I both got these shirts. Ari made them, and I really appreciate them because they are made from shirts that would have ended up in the landfill because they have little imperfections, like maybe the tag was sewn on wrong or something. But she screen printed them with a friend in LA. They're made in LA too, and then part of the proceeds goes to a company that lobbies for like the plastic ban and stuff like that. So definitely something that I love supporting, and I just love like the sort of vintage feel of it. But yeah, that's what I picked up today. Also, I wanted to let you guys know something that I feel like is really important with zero waste stuff. Don't get down on yourself if you don't have these resources available to you, like the bulk shopping, any of that stuff. I really need to do a video about ways to shop plastic free or low waste without bulk, because before Julie had the shop here, I wasn't able to shop bulk either. Sorry, there's an airplane if you could hear it. But anyway, there are ways to shop more sustainably, you know, without access to bulk. So let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing. Something else I wanted to mention too is like just keeping a little kit in your bag when you're out on the go is helpful too. So this is what I brought today. I had this little bag from Untitled. I had a napkin, I had a fork just from my kitchen, nothing special, and then I had a reusable bag and my water bottle, and that's what I brought with me so that if I got food out or you know, needed a napkin, I wouldn't have to use a disposable. So those are things that I feel like are really simple to do, and they really don't cost money because you can just pull stuff from, you know, your collection, stuff that you already have. So keep that in mind, okay? So anyway, let me know if you guys like this type of video. Let me know if you want to see a video about shopping sustainably or like more sustainably without access to bulk. I know other YouTubers have done things similar too, but I could give you my tips if that's something that you guys would be interested in. So let me know. My battery is blinking now, so I'm gonna let you go for now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like if you did like it, and thank you so much to my Patreons for your support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!